Hi, hvað segir gott? Axel from How to Teach X Iceland with a new Christmas-themed vocabulary video on the Icelandic Christmas folklores. For all of you who are new to this channel, we post videos on Icelandic vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar and fun facts. So if this is something you're interested in, hit the like and subscribe button right now to never miss out on a video again. I'm waiting. Alright, Icelandic Christmas folklore depicts mountain-dwelling characters and monsters who come to town during Christmas. The stories are directed at children and are used to scare them into good behavior. Something we know from other cultures as well. The folklore includes both mischievous pranksters who leave gifts during the night and monsters who eat disobedient children. The figures are depicted as living together as a family in a cave and include Grýla, which is a giantess with an appetite for the flesh of mischievous children whom she cooks in a large pot. That's quite scary, right? Her husband, Leppalúði, is lazy and mostly stays at home in their cave. Another character is the Yule cat, the Jólakötturinn, which is a huge and vicious cat who lurks about the snowy countryside during Christmas time, which is Yule, or in Icelandic, Jól. Jól. And it also eats people who have not received any new clothes to wear before Christmas Eve. Now, the Yule lads are the sons of Grýla and Leppalúði. They are a group of 13 pranksters who steal from or harass the population, and all have descriptive names that convey their favorite way of harassing. Before we look at them, they come to town one by one during the last 13 nights before Jól. Now, they leave small gifts in shoes that children have placed on windowsills, but if the child has been disobedient, they instead leave a potato in the shoe. These Christmas-related folktales first appear around the 17th century, and they display some variation based on region and age. In modern times, these characters have taken on slightly more benevolent roles. Now, without further ado, let's look at the names and when they arrive. The first one is the sheepcoat clod, the stekkjarstaur. He harasses sheep but is impaired by his stiff peg legs. He's the first one arriving on 12th of December. The second one is Giljagur, or Gollygawk. He hides in gullies, waiting for an opportunity to sneak into the cowshed and steal milk. He comes on the 13th of December. The next one is Stúfur, or Stubby. He's abnormally short, steals pants to eat the crust left on them. Arrives on 14th of December. The next one, a rather tricky one, Þvörusleikir, or spoon licker. He, as you would have imagined, steals and licks wooden spoons. He's extremely thin due to malnutrition. As we can imagine, there's not much left on wooden spoons or spoons in general. And he arrives on the 15th of December. Pottaskefill. The next one is the pot scraper. He steals leftovers from pots. The next one, Askasleikir, or bowl licker, hides under beds waiting for someone to put down their askur, which is some type of bowl with a lid used instead of dishes. And of course, he then steals those. Another Yule lad or Jólasveinn is Hurðaskellir, or door slammer. He likes to, what else, slam doors, especially during the night to wake people up. This starts at 18th of December, or if you have children, then that happens all year around. The next Christmas character is Skýrgámur. You probably have heard of the skyr, the thick yogurt, which is very popular in Iceland. The skyr gobbler. He has a great affinity for skyr, like I said, similar to yogurt, and arrives on the 19th of December. The next one is the Bjúgnakrækir, the sausage swiper. He hides in the rafters and snatches sausages that are being smoked which is very popular in Iceland. Now, another character is Gluggageir, the window peeper. We have a character that peeps through the window, kind of a peeping Tom. So someone who looks through windows in search of things to steal, not in a pervert kind of way. He arrives on the 21st of December. Then we have left Gáttaþefur, the doorway sniffer. He has an abnormally large nose and an acute sense of smell, which he uses to locate the famous laufabrauð, the leaf bread. Now, last but not least, we have Kjötkrókur, or Kjötkrókur, the meat hook, because he uses a hook to steal meat. Now, last of the 13 Yule lads, the Jólasveinar, is Kertasníkir, the candle stealer. He follows children in order to steal their candles, which were once made of tallow and thus edible, so no light on December 24th. Alright, if you happen to be in Iceland right now, with a little bit of luck you might catch one of the lads sneaking around the houses in the next 2 weeks. If you want to visit the place where the Christmas characters take their summer break, so relax from all the stealing, make sure to visit the area of Mývatn and Dimmuborgir in the northeastern part of Iceland. Until then, stay safe from the Jólakötturinn and see you in the next video. Bye bye!